searching for a super rare creature called the giant pink tiger. No one's ever gotten a picture of it before, so we're gonna try to be the first. Come on, let's go. Oh, look at that bird. Let's take a picture. Oh, look out. There's another one. Oh, it's always that one. Oh, it's not. Oh, so much to see out here. Wow, look at that. Don't mess with the tiger. Look out. There's tigers everywhere.
Yeah.
That was close. We gotta be more careful. He just stole our camera. Let's swing through the trees to get it back. Swing. Gotta catch that monkey into the trees. Swing. He's throwing us in it. Look out. Swing through the trees. Swing. Swing through the trees. Swing. Move to the side. Swing. Swing through the trees. Swing. He's stooping down. That meddling monkey. Well, at least we got our camera back. What's that sound? Don't mess with the tiger. Hey, look, I think the giant tiger's den is just across this river. Just gotta hop across on these rocks. Left, right, left, right, left. Oh, look out! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh, watch it! Right, left, left, right, left, right. Almost there. We made it to the den, and the giant pink tiger's sleeping inside. Let's tiptoe closer for the perfect shot. Shh. Oh, there he is, the giant pink tiger. Okay, let's take the picture in 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. I think it's time for us to leave Tiger Island. Run! Move as fast as you can. Look out for his horn. To the other side. He's gaining on us. And look, more tigers. I don't know how we're gonna escape. It's a helicopter. He's dropping a ladder for us. Let's reach out and grab it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.